Transform your business with Unify Cloud and the Cloud Atlas AI Factory, your end-to-end platform for automated cloud and AI transformation. Whether you're starting your AI journey or looking to accelerate AI adoption for strategic benefit, Cloud Atlas AI Factory helps you identify, evaluate, and deploy AI applications as proofs of concept to move from ideation to production faster. Rapidly prototype AI applications to confirm value and build with greater confidence. A library of over 200 AI use cases designed for various industries and solution areas enables you to quickly identify opportunities and implement a working AI proof of concept in your environment, typically in just a few hours. Not weeks or months. Solution areas include entity extraction, knowledge mining, sentiment analysis, virtual assistants, image classification, speech to text, and much more. The intuitive platform supports multiple languages, enabling seamless global collaboration. Each use case includes a case study, live demo, and detailed POC to streamline your development process. The case study helps you understand real business scenarios, solutions, benefits, and cost estimates based on Azure services required. Detailed documentation gives you access to step-by-step guides, architecture diagrams, data flows, service details, and cost breakdowns. The interactive demos showcase live functional implementations, giving you a first-hand look at how AI delivers quick, accurate, and consistent outcomes to give you the insights to make decisions faster with conviction. When you are ready to build your own POC, the AI Factory guides you through every step. Easily integrate your data and connect to Azure Storage, SharePoint, OneDrive, GitHub, Google Drive, AWS, and more. Or you can upload your data, and AI Factory handles ingestion, processing, and validation, deploying your POC in minutes. Test, refine, and validate the solution to meet your requirements to prove value before making significant financial investments in AI. When you're ready, seamlessly publish your AI applications to your Azure subscription. This process includes pre-deployment checklists, Azure Service Architecture, and automated assistance to set up or modify the landing zone for deploying the AI application using Bicep scripts for simple, streamlined deployment. Maintain cost control and manage AI FinOps to ensure your AI investments deliver value efficiently and cost-effectively with Cloud Atlas AI Optimize. Expense tracking and forecasting enable optimal cost control and resource management. Cloud Atlas AI Guardian provides security, governance, and responsible AI to ensure safe, compliant, and ethical operation of your AI workloads. Comprehensive risk profiles identify vulnerabilities and non-compliance, making sure your deployment aligns with industry best practices. With Cloud Atlas AI Factory, you can quickly develop AI POCs in hours, not weeks, test and validate business impact before investing in AI, optimize cost, maintain performance, and minimize risk, and confidently move from POC to pilot and production. Experience firsthand how artificial intelligence can drive real business impact with Cloud Atlas AI Factory. Get started today by accessing this powerful tool in the Microsoft Azure Marketplace or by visiting unifycloud.com to learn more.